Have you ever wondered how to get that high shine in your hair? High shine hair isn't just a trend, it's a science. It's all about understanding your hair and knowing the right steps to take. Stay tuned as we explore how you can achieve this trend at home. Did you know that the shine in your hair is all about the smoothness and flatness of your hair cuticle? Yes, indeed. When your hair cuticles lay flat, they reflect light better, giving your hair that coveted shine. Think of them as tiny mirrors. The role of hydration is key here, as well-nourished, hydrated hair is healthier and more likely to have smooth, flat cuticles. So, in essence, shiny hair is a sign of healthy, hydrated hair. Now that you know the science, let's move on to how you can achieve this at home. Ready to give your hair that high shine look? Here are some tips and tricks. First, washing your hair just 2 to 3 times a week can help retain natural oils, boosting shine. Next, look for hair products with ingredients like argan oil, keratin, and aloe vera, known for enhancing glossiness. Lastly, when styling, opt for a cool blow-dry or air-dry instead of heat styling to prevent damage. With these tips, you're well on your way to achieving shiny, glossy hair. You've got questions and we've got answers. To maximize shine, wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week. Yes, a chilly rinse can boost shine by closing the hair cuticle. Look for products with argan or coconut oil and avoid sulfates and alcohols. Home remedies? Try a vinegar rinse or a honey mask. And to protect your hair from heat while still achieving shine, use a heat protectant spray before styling. We hope this has answered your questions and given you the knowledge you need to get that high shine look. So, are you ready to shine? We've unveiled the science behind that alluring gleam, shared tips, and answered your burning questions. It's over to you now to experiment and discover your hair's true potential. Remember, the key to high shine hair is a healthy hair routine. Shine on!